Another video. We're doing quite a bit of work today to the 21 Dodge Durango RT with the tow and go package. We just got back from the dyno shop and I just uploaded that video for the dyno numbers. And then now we're going to do the Momentum GT cold air induction system. And this is going to be, they don't show the Dodge Durango on the website. It's for the Jeep Grand Cherokee 5.7 liter. But from what I see on YouTube, it fits right into the Dodge Durango, so we're starting to take it apart. It's very common sense how this works. Just take out the old air box, loosen that screw, loosen that screw, loosen this bolt, and we're just going to take that bolt out while it's still hot. The car's been sitting for about an hour after the dyno shop, and it's pretty hot still. So I'm going to go to the next step, and I'll keep updating this video as we go along here.